Guys, that big ant right there, excuse me.
Oh, go ahead.
There's a big ant over there. Oh, you can't see it. This is unbelievable.
Oh, okay, bye.
So unbelievable. Y'all see that? There's an ant up there. How do I turn this around? Y'all see that? That is literally me. Literally me. Okay, you can do your intro now.
And welcome back to Sammy Does Vlogs. And today we're at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We're in Disney World.
Yay!
And it's very hot. It is very hot, guys.
Too hot.
We haven't been here in such a long time. We're not used to the Florida humidity yet. And it's what, like 90 degrees today? What last time the entire vlog was us complaining about how hot it was?
I was like, this sucks. Whoever lives here sucks.
I'm sorry. But today...
oh my god, there's fish up there too.
There is a fish.
Salmon. There's salmon up there.
I see it. Come on.
And there's a squid and a rhino. And most importantly, the ant. The ant that you're neglecting to show. Y'all see it? That's literally me. Ew, yeah.
But now we're heading to Dinoland USA to get on Dinosaur, probably for our last time.
In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the time rover. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Alioramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identified.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! That's close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Oh my god, that was crazy.
My girlfriend has an ice cream. What ice cream did you get? It's a new one, right?
Some watermelon thing. It's a watermelon fruit pop.
A watermelon fruit pop. But that was Dinosaur. Did you like Dinosaur or was it too scary?
I closed my eyes.
It was really rough. Honestly, Dinosaur today wasn't that great. Something about being in the back row on Dinosaur, like it's very aggressive when it jerks you around. Also, a lot of the animatronics aren't working. Maybe they're just not taking care of it anymore because they're eventually going to close it. But it just needs a little bit of love before it goes, I think. You didn't like it. Well, you don't like Dinosaur in general, right? It's a little too loud and scary for you. It's also really it's just really dark. Like, abundantly dark. And then I feel like when dinosaurs don't work, they just turn off the lights for them. And then it just makes it even more dark. Because there's a lot of dinosaurs that were just kind of not moving and then you couldn't see them. Not great. But we're now heading out of Dinoland, heading towards Africa to go do the Kilimanjaro safaris, right? Where hopefully we get to see a baby elephant. That's the big plan. Let's go. I lied. We're not going to safaris. We're going to something even better. One of the greatest shows ever that I have ever experienced because of this beautiful woman right here. She actually made me go. And I was like, I don't think I want to watch the show. And then I did. And guess what? Nemo, the Great Beautiful World, right? Or Big Blue World, or Big Blue Sea, I don't know. The show's amazing.
Blue Beyond.
The Big Blue Beyond. Finding Nemo, the Big Blue Beyond is phenomenal. So now we're gonna go run over there and go try to catch it because I want to see it. Because last time we watched it, I genuinely had one of the best times of my life, and I was like, what's the word? I unironically had one of the greatest times of my life enjoying that show. It's so good. And she was hyping it up, and I was like, okay, calm down. It's a Disney show. It can't be this good. And then I watched it, and I was like, holy crap, it is this good.
That's because people don't talk about it.
Yeah, the puppeteering in there. The puppeteering in this show, awesome. It is so good. Like, I'm so excited to go catch it. So we're moving quickly so we can make it on time. All right, we made it just in time. Let's rush in and go find some seats before the show starts. Oh, that AC. Oh my God, holy. Oh, what if I pass out? This feels so good. Just look at this stage. We made it.
We did.
We have really good seats. I'm very excited for this show.
I love this show.
Also, your magic band keeps lighting up when they do fun announcements.
Yeah.
And maybe hopefully we'll catch one. But I think that's really cool that they have the magic bag that interacts with it.
Yeah.
That's new, right? That was not here last time.
No, but also we didn't wear our magic band that frequently, so
It's true, we did not.
I don't know.
We also got a reservation to the greatest restaurant ever on Earth.
Yak and Yeti.
Yak and Yeti. It's my favorite restaurant ever, and I shouldn't be going. We probably should not be spending the money to go there.
Saving money, but
My mom's gonna see this and be upset. But
because we told her we weren't gonna.
But Mom, listen, Yak and Yeti is phenomenal. You can't get that theme park food anywhere else.
Right, scrum to delete.
Hello, everyone. We hope you're enjoying your visit to the Marine
Boo,
Life.
it didn't do the thing.
In a moment, we'll
Maybe
invite
when it's
you
like
to
every time there's a
witness the
fun
wonders
fact.
of the
Yeah, it's a fun
open
fact, I'm
ocean
guessing.
exhibit.
It's
But before we
pre-automated.
do, for
This
any
is such a
reason
cool
you must
stage.
leave during the experience,
You didn't
please
even
ask
know.
one of our ushers
I did not.
for assistance.
Yeah.
It's such a great
Thank
stage. I never would have known if you didn't bring me in here.
I don't know.
It's so good.
It's so good.
Isn't it beautiful? Come on, Dad! Hold my finger. Hold my
Listening the tones of the open sea. Come on, explorers!
He's got a little fin. We call it his lucky fin. Sometimes if he gets tired, just give him a break.
He'll be alright. Let's go, explorers! Hold on tight. Are you ready? You're ready.
I don't think I'm ready.
We're ready.
Leave me safe.
The drop-off!
The drop-off.
What's that great one driver up here?
Nemo!
gone. It can't be gone. Has anyone seen a boat? Oh, please. Please!
Sorry, sir.
Help! He's got my son! He's got Nemo. Have you seen a boat?
A boat? I've seen a boat. Follow me!
Thank you.
Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
What are you trying to find Nemo? You weren't showing me which way the boat went.
A boat? I've seen a boat. Follow me!
Wait! We already did this.
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. Forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
Something's wrong with him.
But his dad was coming. At that very moment, Marlin and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And he was, yes, totally off.
You've traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but you're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and surf the sea with me. I forgot! How old are you? How old are you? It's still Thanks, Crush! No worries, man! You're a little dude. I said, oh, I will! But I'm just glad I actually enjoyed that.
Me too! See you later, kids! Hey, look! Turtle!
Now go get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot. Love you, Dad.
Oh, I love you, school, son. Now go have an adventure.
Love what's waiting out there? We can never know. Happy
Nemo. Bye, son.
And that was Finding Nemo, the Big Blue World, right? Big Blue Ocean?
The
Did I get
Big
it wrong
Blue and Beyond.
Big Blue and Beyond.
Well, this-
It's such a good show. It's so fun. The best part, without a doubt, is the Crush. The Crush, like, puppet. That is really, really cool. I genuinely have a good time when they bring that giant puppet out. Also, I just love how it works. They have 2 puppeteers in the back. They have a person sitting inside doing the mouth, and then they have the performer on top actually singing live. You can't beat it. It's so dang cool. Our reservation isn't ready for Yak and Yeti just yet, so we're gonna ride one of the best coasters here, Expedition Everest. Let's go see Disco Yeti.
This attraction is one of my favorites because of its queue. Fun fact, they actually had Disney Imagineers go to Everest and research this place. The pictures that they have are actually real.
Mm-hmm. And the artifacts, a lot of the artifacts are like legit.
Yep.
It's such a cool one.
You're...
But this ride we are going to use 360 camera for it. So, we haven't done this in a while, but 360 on Expedition Everest right now.
All the hair ties, I think we went the wrong way.
Yeah, I don't think
Not the track switch. Hey guys, there's a phone up here. Someone has to reset. Cinema. Oh, I love seeing that track. Someone doesn't have to reset.
he's going. Oh, this is gonna feel good. A little bit of rain. And that was Expedition Everest in 360. I hope you enjoyed. That was so much fun. We did not ask for the front row. We just got very lucky. Front row on that one is one of the best front rows because when you go backwards in that little backward section, you get the full sensation of being in the back row where you get that really crazy whip in the back row, but you're going backwards. So it's like you feel like your bar, this is your bar, it feels like you're being pushed into that bar when you're going backwards in that little like dark section. It's so much fun. And of course, it's always nice seeing Disco Yeti. But now we're heading towards Yak and Yeti, one of the best theme park restaurants ever created. We're in a little bit of a rush because we're a little late. Oh my God, I'm sorry. We're a little late. We gotta go. And we have made it to the best air conditioning, fine food, drinks, Yak and Yeti restaurant. Very excited for the air conditioning. And the food, of course. And the drinks. Our food is here. Completely forgot what we ordered. We've been trying to figure out if the
Veggie
food...
stir-fry.
Oh, yours is easy. Yours is a veggie stir fry, I know. We completely forgot to record because we were very focused on making sure Ash actually enjoyed her food. So like completely forgot, but food is here. She got a veggie stir fry. It's not bad, but it's not amazing. It's like right in the middle, right? But once you put sauce on it, I think it's gonna be fire. That's all it's missing. And then for me, I got a beef. It's like really thin beef noodles, stir fry, fire. Forgot what it's called, but really, really good though. All done with our meal at Yak and Yeti, and now we're heading to Pandora to go get on Flight of Passage, one of the best rides here. But I do want to say, John Jay from Queens, New York, from Yak and Yeti, you're amazing, man. You're awesome. You were super nice to us the entire time. Shout out if you actually ever end up watching this video. I hope you get to see it. If you do, leave a comment. That'd be awesome. But John Jay, if you ever go to Yak and Yeti and eat there, he is super, super nice. He honestly made our experience phenomenal. Give him as many compliments as you can. But now, let's go to Pandora.
And fly.
Yeah. That's not how you said it before. No, do it again. Come on.
Yes, and fly. Lead the way.
You lead the way.
I don't know where we're going.
Oh. Honestly, I think it's just gonna wrap around our hair.
Like, I just want to like mindlessly follow you. Thanks.
Okay. Pandora is genuinely one of the most beautiful theme park lands ever created. Like, this is so awesome. It looks so good. Like, these mountains are floating in the air. They did such a good job, but now it is time to get on Flight of Passage. You excited?
I did it. I made it.
Are you excited?
I did this single-handedly.
Yeah? You led us through the line?
Yep. My honesty and true self prevailed.
Yeah. The smell of Pandora and the AC of Pandora are about to hit.
First, we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly.
Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikran and
Straits activated.
Okay, travelers.
Right around. And then let's do it out. All right, that was Flight of Passage. What'd you think?
I hate feeling them breathe on me.
Oh, like the legs?
Yeah.
I get that.
I don't enjoy it when they sit in that little cavern.
Well, it's
Very
because
pretty.
you feel like it's too tight and then they do the breathing and it makes it worse?
No,
or like you
it's
just don't like it in
stimming.
general?
It's like weird.
Weird?
I don't like how it...
It feels like you're riding a Banshee though.
That's the problem.
You don't want to ride a Banshee?
Not as of recent.
Okay, we are not done in the world of Avatar just yet. We're going to Ash's favorite ride, Na'vi River Journey. Very excited for it. It's always very relaxing. It's gonna be nice to get into the very cool river area, but it's very relaxing. So This is gonna be nice to get off of our feet. Let's go get on. Our fast passes are ready. Our lightning lane, same thing, same difference. This is such a pretty shot of you right now. You look so pretty.
Stop.
And that was not River Journey.
Did you give it to them?
The shaman was in fact working. We got a little scared there because we were like, oh my god, what if we jinxed it? And we got like B-mode her where it's just a projection of her. Luckily she was there, but now we are finally heading to our final ride of the day, the last ride here at Disney's Animal Kingdom that we wanted to do, which is the safaris. But before the safaris, we're gonna get a fun drink to try. Just kidding about the fun drink. Turns out they closed. Apparently they're only open from when the park opens 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., right? 11:30 a.m.? Ridiculous. That's awful. But it is what it is. So now, let's go get on Kilimanjaro safaris. Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, I have to pee again.
Wait, what?
Guys, Ham Jamba Safari Travelers. My name's Adaya. I'm going to be your guide here at the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. I get this name because though they can't swim, they prefer to walk/run at the bottom of the water, kind of like a horse. And you might have noticed as the hippopotamus went to submerge, they actually use their ears and they tuck it down, and that's so that water can't go inside of it. It kind of plugs up their ears. Tongues to wrap around the branches to pull the leaves that they want to eat. We can tell those are Maasai giraffes because they have darker colored spots and they're kind of jagged. Giraffes have the same amount of vertebrae as a human being, it's just more spread out, giving them those long necks so they can reach the tippy top of the trees. Rhinos have 2 sets of horns, both of them are made out of keratin, and that's the same thing that our hair and nails are made out of.
And with that, and my girlfriend's awesome bag of treats, of like fun assorted snacks, we are done with our Disney's Animal Kingdom day. What was the favorite thing you've done today?
Buying this bag.
Okay.
What do we do today?
I think the Finding Nemo show was like genuinely the funniest, like the most fun we had today. That and Expedition Everest. Huh?
Buying this bag of treats.
Buying this bag of treats. But we did every single ride we wanted to do today here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
We did?
I'm actually
We did all of them.
Yeah, except for Callie. But with that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. There's a fun video at the end you might also enjoy. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a nice day or a nice night wherever you are.
Bye-bye.